Fonetica limbii române. Romanian Phonics. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, we're going to look at litera Q. Litera Q. Letter Q. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is Q or Q. It is pronounced like K in sky. Sky. Now, the target vocabulary for this lesson is quartz, Catarian, status quo. Now, let's see, what do these words mean? Quartz. Quartz means quartz. Catarian. Catarian means Qatari. Status quo. Status quo means status quo. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Am vorbit la telefon cu un catarian. Am vorbit la telefon cu un catarian. I was on the phone with a Qatari. Quarțul este un mineral ce se găsește în scoarța terestră. Quarțul este un mineral ce se găsește în scoarța terestră. Quartz is a mineral found in the earth crust. Guvernul încearcă să mențină status quo-ul. Guvernul încearcă să mențină status quo-ul. The government is trying to maintain the status quo. And now you know how to pronounce words correctly in Romanian. Make sure you don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share and like this video. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section below what other kinds of Romanian language lessons you would like to see on this awesome channel. Until next time, this is Mihnea, your Romanian language teacher. Salut!